Well, hello everybody. Today I'm going to present my game database. So this is my table of contents. So there are different types of graphs, and the first thing I'm going to introduce is my topic of choice, and then the second thing is my data set, then what I use for this project, my dashboard, and then final ending. So as the introduction to this topic, I chosen this topic because it's quite obvious of the presentation. You see all these designs. I love video games. I almost play it every day, and that's why I had the first idea for this presentation. So this is the data set. This is only the first top 10, but I have this like 16,600 rows of games. So right here we have the rank, which is the index, and then we have the name of the game. So like the most global sales, and then so Wii Sports is the #1 top game in 2006, and then the list goes down until 16,000. And then we have the platform, so we have Wii, and then we have the companies like NES and GB and DS. And this is the year it was published, and this is the genre, so it's different types of genres. So sports, platform, racing, role-playing, puzzle. There's a lot of other genres like shooting, platform. And this is the publisher, so the first top 10 is on Nintendo. And then we have NA sales, which is North American sales. This is how much they have sold in that continent. We also have EU, which is Europe, and then we also add another one, which is Japan. Because Japan is mostly because Nintendo is from Japan. And other sales is from other different regions, and then global sales is all add together here. So what I use for this slide, slash presentation, I have used Python and Matplotlib in these graphs. Pandas is for my data set, and then Matplotlib is for making graphs like line graph, list, bar, and line. So these are the charts that I have created. So this first one right here is a line chart with, I put the title, which is number of games released per year. So, and under here, my X label is a year, and then my Y label over here is number of games released. So we can see that since the middle of 2010 to 2005 to 2015 is the most games that have been sold. We can see we're in 2010. We see the most games sales, which is 1,400 games. Moving on to the top 10 global sales, we have our bar graph. This is also like the other one, which is like this, but like in a bar graph, so we can easily see it better. So over my X label for this one is the games. So like Wii Sports, Super Mario Bros, Mario Kart, and others. And we have the global sales, which is in millions. So we have 0 to 80 million. We can all see that.
Nó tí thôi sao chậm sao thấy nè.
So it is in millions. So we see that Wii Sports has the most sales. It's basically double than Super Mario Bros. But like but I found out one thing is that if we remove Wii Sports, then all of this will be almost identical and the same. But Wii Sports has been the most sale, so we have, so it's like 80 million sales, and then yeah. And this is my last graph, which is the game genres. So this is for this is the amount of games with different genres. So we can see that action has 20%, which is what has the most people would like to play that, and then the list goes on. We can see that it goes in a circular motion. So 20%, 14, 10, 9, and then the list goes on. And then we have a different genres and label. So puzzle is the least amount of games like puzzle, and then puzzle, strategy, fighting is all linked to here. Thank you.
Thầy Khang có câu hỏi gì đặt cho Wally?
Listening. Cái chữ Y nó chữ E chứ đúng không?
Missing air character.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Congrats. I found that your presentation is very good because you have a nice introduction to the dataset about the column names and what is that content. And I feel that you put very many effort to this presentation, right? About the slides, you have a beautiful template that related to the game and Mario, yes, of course. So actually, I don't have so much thing to ask, but if I would ask you that if you can do more analysis of this data set, what you can do?
What can I do?
Yes.
So maybe so if this one over here. So maybe I could add like other things. Maybe like I can make it so that it can go to 20. So we can have like, so we can see 20 games, and I think I can do like other national sales like South America and Asia and other kinds of continents.
Okay. Because it has so many games, so you just choose 10 of
Yeah, top 10 games.
Okay. What do you like the most of your presentation?
Probably the idea of the games. So like I like to play video games a lot, so I had the first idea. So I just chose this. I chose this, and
So what can you tell to anyone that has not learned data analysis, that you have done something for them about this slide?
so like you can use this for many different things like business sales, which I learned in school, and what else you can do, like charts, different charts about what you can do in your life. You can do maybe gym workouts for each day, so you can use charts for anything.
Okay. So that's it. I don't have anything to ask you more. Congrats for finish this slide. It's very good. Beautiful template about the game, and you asked the question very fast with our thinking. So I don't have anything to ask. Okay, nice.
Thank you.
Ok, rồi thầy cũng một chút nhận xét về cái phần trình bày của Bonnie nha. Thì thầy cũng giống như thầy Khang là thầy đánh giá rất cao phần trình bày của em. Trong quá trình mà mình học á, thì thầy thấy em không có kiểu làm vào thuyết trình trọn vẹn bằng lúc anh thuyết trình nha. Ví dụ như lúc thầy hướng dẫn là mình sẽ phải làm gì với bộ dataset này, rồi chọn game, chọn chủ đề ấy, thì thầy thấy là em cũng khá là tiếp cận nhanh, nghĩa là tư duy rất là tốt, nhưng mà thầy thấy phần trình bày của em hôm nay nó khác xa, nó còn hơn những gì so với trước đây mà mình học với nhau, nên là thầy rất là chúc mừng em phần trình bày. Còn về kiến thức thì hầu như là lúc mà dạy ấy thì có thể là tại vì thầy dạy bằng tiếng Việt nên là có nhiều cái Molly chưa có trả lời thật tiện và chưa có thể giải thích được, nhưng mà hôm nay khi mà trình bày bằng tiếng Anh á thì thầy thấy là Molly rất là tự tin và có thể trình bày giải thích được hết tất cả những gì mà mình làm. Để chúc mừng Molly ha, nhưng mà cũng cần phải cải thiện thêm một số cái, ví dụ như là phần tiếng Việt Molly vẫn cần phải cải thiện thêm, học thêm nhiều từ vựng nha. Ok. Còn về phần kiến thức thì hôm nay thầy khai nhận xét phần trình bày của Wally rất là trọn vẹn rồi, không có gì phải nhận xét thêm. Ok, thầy chúc mừng Wally đã hoàn thành được sản phẩm vượt quá của môn Computer Science Advanced và sẵn sàng cho tuần sau mình sẽ bắt đầu khóa học tiếp theo về Computer Science Intensive ha. Ok, chúc mừng Wally.
Chúc mừng thầy.
Yeah.